Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate lever for candidate tracking from LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your browser and navigate to LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, head to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the candidate you wish to track. Select the candidate's profile from the search results. On the candidate's profile page, look for the More button. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Copy Link to Profile. Now, open a new tab and access your Lever account. Log into your Lever account using your credentials. Navigate to the Candidates section on the dashboard. Look for the option to Add Candidate. Click on this option to start adding a new candidate. In the candidate information form, locate the source field. Paste the LinkedIn profile link you copied earlier into the source field. Fill out any additional required fields, such as name and email address. Once all the information is complete, look for the option to save or submit. Click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the candidate's information. Verify that the candidate has been successfully added to your Lever account. You should now see the candidate listed under the Candidates section. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated Lever for candidate tracking from LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.